Welcome everybody, welcome in today's video on how to download the game Zoo Planet on your PC. So, thanks for tuning in and we will head straight in it. We will go to Google and then type in Zoo Planet. So, for the people who are familiar with this game, it's basically a simulator game. It's from the developers of Planet Coaster and Zoo Tycoon. So we will go to the first link to the Steam platform, click on that. Once you have entered the game website, you can watch the videos about this game, maybe check out some screenshots if you would like to see them. And once you have decided to read some more information about it, then you can check out the game requirements before downloading this game. And if you want to download this game, simply click on Add to Cart, view my cart, and finish your payment process to download and start playing Zoo Planet on your PC today. Hopefully this video was very helpful and we would like to see you in the next video. Cheers guys, bye bye.